Well, hello again everyone. It won't be long now before we're off on some more travels. We've got a trip planned up to Northumberland in the van, and that's coming up very soon. I have made a decision to book the van into a local garage that I trust to do the cam belt, because just got so much on, I don't have any time to do that myself, which is a bit of a shame because I was looking forward to doing that and making the video, and quite a few people have asked me to do that, but yeah, it's just not possible on this occasion. Maybe next time it's due, we'll do that. The interval on these is every 4 to 5 years for the cam belt, so it's coming up for that now really, or even just a little bit past it, because we bought the van in late 2017. I'm going to throw a bit of an oil change into it first, so that it goes in for the cam belt with fresh oil in the engine, don't have to worry about it. And we should get the van back just about in time for our planned trip. There's a few jobs inside the van that need doing as well. Little bits of tidying up, and yeah, I've got a wardrobe door to fix, and the back light is playing up a little bit as well, so I need to do some tinkering with that and get that working once again. So how are your plans going for summer holidays and trips away in your vans and motorhomes and stuff? Hopefully the weather's going to start improving soon. There's already some signs of sunshine. We're looking forward to travelling about a little bit. I've used up quite a lot of my holiday this year with the motorcycle training, so there's probably going to be quite a few long weekends and a bit less longer breaks away. We've got our trip up to Northumberland I mentioned earlier. We've also got the Hermanfest rally that we're going to as well, and we're probably going to head down to Cornwall after that for a week or so. So yeah, there's a bit to look forward to this year. Hopefully next year we'll get back up to Scotland again, or across to Northern Ireland. That would be our aim for next year, but this year I think we've pretty much used up all the holiday I've got available. So after those two trips, it's just going to be weekends or long weekends, I think. Anyway, just a quick update video to let you know what's going on, and hopefully you'll see us in a video very soon back on our travels in the motorhome.